Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Telegram link not opening. Right, so if you just want to open group channel ID link not opening, how you can fix this? So the problem is always in the link, right? So you have to just go to Google Chrome here, just paste the link, right? And once you paste the link here, as you can see here, this is a link of one of the Telegram group, and as you can see here, this is very important. So https right / t.me and the username of that group or ID, right? So this should be the exactly correct, and once you just go and click here, you will get this here, right? Now if I just go and click on contact, automatically I will be redirected to that Telegram group. So you have to just make sure the link is proper and the link didn't got expired. So once you verify this two stuff, you're ready to go. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.